Now, let's look at the poverty trends in India and in the world. That is, whether it is declining or it is on the increasing front. Well, after 1973, both in India and in other countries, we see a substantial decline in the poverty rate. First of all, in India, we see that there is a remarkable decline in the poverty ratios due to many factors like the rise in economic growth or people getting better employment or education. All this have led to decline in poverty ratios in India. Even in countries like China and Southeast Asian countries, there is a decline in the poverty rate because of the industrialization, mechanization, education and other factors. But certain countries still are not at par with other countries who have shown a remarkable decline like India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. All these countries still have to make progress and see to it that there is a decline further in the poverty trends in their countries. Well, the biggest effort made by the government of India to reduce poverty in the rural areas is the scheme called National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. It was passed in the year 2005, and according to this, everyone has been promised at least 100 days of employment. That is, you would be employed nearly little more than 3 months in a year. That's a guarantee which the government of India has given to its people. Here, 1/3 of the jobs are reserved for the women. Besides, the National Employment Scheme funds and the State Employment Scheme funds, they generate or they give money to actually bring in more job opportunities for the people living in the rural areas. If an applicant does not get a job within 15 days of his application, then he is entitled to unemployment allowance by the government of India. Of course, this has been a great boost as far as decline in the poverty trend is concerned, because people have little money and they have some kind of assurance as far as work is concerned.